Attention, we have an important announcement to make. My name is Ranger Judd and I work for the Department of Conservation. We protect all of the nation's forests, beaches and animals.
And I'm Constable Dennison from the New Zealand Police. We are teaming up with Dr. to stop the terrible trend of New Zealand's birds going extinct.
For years now, our precious birds have been hunted and left homeless by a number of different causes. This has to stop before we lose all of our native birds.
We have sent our best detectives on a trip around New Zealand to investigate how and why our birds are getting clipped from existence. Listen closely to what Detective Twist and Detective Boswick say. Keep your eyes peeled for any suspects.
Oh, hello there, Susan of the Sky. We're here investigating the disappearance of New Zealand's native birds.
I say, are you all alone here in this forest?
Oh no, you're the last pair left. The rest were eaten by stoats and possums.
Please, if you see...
Those nasty creatures have been seen all over the place. We've got to stop them.
Please, if you see anyone that looks like this, let us know immediately.
Excuse me, freeze, police.
We are here investigating to figure out why all of our birds are missing. Are you and your family okay?
What did he say?
Darn it, not them too. Finch is stuck. Who has been killing and eating your family?
What? Right. It appears our dear friends, the finches duck, have been killed and eaten by stray cats and dogs.
Please, if you see anyone that looks like this, let us know so we can arrest them.
Giant moa, I thought you were already extinct. Huh?
One more time?
Oh my goodness, so all of this time you've been living by yourself, you poor thing.
And the creature that killed your family, what did you say he looks like?
Right. If you see anyone that looks like this, please let us know so we can bring this monster to justice.
nature-hating, bird-braiding criminals, explain yourselves.
Silence, you stoat. explain yourself. Why have you been killing all of the pia birds?
Hey, look, it's not my fault. I was brought here against my will. The people told me I had to go around eating all of the rabbits, possums, and mice, which I do. I just, got confused is all. I mean, there are so many birds that walk around the ground like rodents. It was only a matter of time before I started eating them too. You should send me back to where I came from.
And your friend, he looks a little starry-eyed.
What? Look, it's not like that I can tell the difference between Pew-Pew's egg and the chicken egg. So, if you set me free,
You'll do what? Tell us.
And what about you two?
It's not my fault. I was raised playing with toy birds. My owners would throw the toys away and force me to fetch them and bring them back. Some days it would last for hours. I hated it. When I got let off my leash on a walk, I couldn't stop myself. I saw the ducks flying away and went nuts.
It was all the dog's fault. I tell you, I'm innocent.
Finally you, Mr. Lee, tell us, why have you and your ancestors been killing and eating all of those mole? They're such amazing animals.
Are you kidding me? What were we supposed to do? They were delicious.
Take him away.
Well, I think we've learned some valuable lessons today. Remember, if you see any rodent-like stoats, weasels, possums, rats and rabbits, they may look friendly and fluffy, but they are killing all our precious birds. Report them to authorities right away so we can send them back.
And be careful to keep your pet cats and dogs away from our native birds. Cats are born predators, so they'll kill our native birds if they can. And dogs just love chasing things.
Most importantly, we need to make sure we don't eat all of our precious birds ourselves. They may be delicious, but oh, who am I kidding? Let's get some KFC! Woo!